So there are a lot of wireless earbuds on the market, that's for sure. But there's one that I'm actually really excited to try out, and they're the Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro wireless earbuds. For this video, Anker kindly reached out to me if I wanted to try out these earbuds, and I already had my eye on them before, so of course I said yes. Again, thank you Anker for reaching out and letting me try out these earbuds. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back, MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today I'm here to show you my unboxing and first impressions of the Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro wireless earbuds. So without further delay, let's dive right in. Okay, so one thing I love about these earbuds already is the box. I always keep my boxes in my tech, but this one is just amazingly presented. You're first greeted with the earbuds and its case, which is an amazing matte texture. And you pretty much get everything else you need in the box. A USB-C to USB-A cable, thank you for going USB-C. The instruction booklet, and extra ear tips to fit your comfort. Now I'm not going to dive into the full details as I am going to leave that for the full review, but just know that Anker really did put a lot of work in these earbuds, and I'm impressed. Seriously, they're no joke. One thing I really do hate about earbuds are the ones that just don't want to stay in your ear. These, however, fit perfectly, and I have no issue with them falling out. And if they don't, then you have so many extra ear tips, so you can choose which one will fit in your ear. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, I'd really appreciate it if you can give this video a thumbs up and turn on the bell notifications, as it does help out the YouTube algorithm and pushes my content to more people. There's Bluetooth 5.0, wireless charging, which I am a huge fan of, and they have their own app. Now I love when companies create their own apps for their earbuds because it just gives the consumer more options and ways to control the way that they want to use them. I will be testing this app throughout the next few weeks and will be using these earbuds as my main daily earbuds driver, I guess you can say. I can tell you that from using these earbuds for a couple days now, the sound quality is actually very good. Now, I'm not that type of person who is picky about the sound quality as long as it's not muffled. For an average consumer, battery life is important, and their advertising 8 hours of playback time does keep to its word. The charging case is super nice too. Like I said earlier, the matte texture on this and the way you open it by sliding the lid is actually super unique. Oh, don't worry, it's pretty sturdy. This definitely caught my attention, and I am impressed. Now one might ask, do they have noise cancellation? And sadly, they don't. That's not really a huge deal breaker because they do a really good job by isolating the noise around you. Stay tuned for my full review, as I will dive a little deeper into specs and my real day-to-day experience. And that pretty much wraps up this video. Anyone who is in the market looking for a pair of earbuds, I can say that the build quality and my initial impressions of the sound is pretty good. You know Anker. They make awesome portable chargers, wireless chargers, all kinds of awesome products. And I'm saying that because I actually own a couple portable chargers from Anker myself. I'm super excited to use these for a longer period of time. So I'm going to have to sadly say, sorry Sonys, hello Soundcore. No, really, I'm going to put away my Sonys away for a duration of my review process, and I'll let you know with the final verdict. However, I kind of have a feeling what it's already going to be, but don't worry, you'll like the answer. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.